Hello students. Yeah. Tamil Nadu State Board 12th Standard Maths Applications of Matrices and Determinants as a topic. Exercise 1.1, first question. Find adjoint of the following matrices. Several subdivisions are there. First subdivision is this, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. You are given a 2 cross 2 matrix and you have to find out its adjoint. Okay. So adjoint means what? Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint means transpose of cofactor matrix. Suppose if this is the cofactor matrix, the given matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. Therefore, the cofactor matrix will also be of the order 2 cross 2. This has got 4 elements. Cofactor matrix will also have 4 elements. Cofactor matrix, either you can write like that or you can write like this. This is A. You can take this as matrix A. If you say that this is matrix A, then cofactor matrix is Aij with brackets. Or you can say A substitute C. This will also have 4 elements, same order. Then first row, first element here, find its cofactor, that will come here. First row, second element here, find its cofactor, that will come here. Similarly, you find out the cofactors of all the elements and you fill up this matrix. Then you will have cofactor matrix. First row, first element of the given matrix is there. You find its cofactor. I will tell you how to find cofactor. That cofactor will come here in its corresponding place. This cofactor of this will come here in its corresponding place. The cofactor of this will come here. The cofactor of this will come here. You will have cofactor matrix. That cofactor matrix, after you get that, you find its transpose. You will get the adjoint. This is applicable for higher order matrices also. So how to find out the cofactors of each element of this? Very simple. For that, first row, first element, you just in your mind or write very lightly in that place, you say this is positive. That is, the cofactor of first element, first row is positive. Cofactor of second element, first row would be negative. Cofactor of second row, first element will be negative. This will be positive. Just put it in bracket, just as a clue. That is, it will alternate, plus minus, plus minus, minus plus, plus minus. Like that it will alternate. So you will know what is the nature of the element, whether it is positive or negative of the given elements of the matrix. Now, if you want to find out the cofactor of 3, just leave out the column through that 3 and the row through the. For finding cofactor of 3, leave the column through 3 and row through 3. You are left with minus 1. And it is to be taken as plus. Plus of this minus 1. As it is, you should write. So, minus 4. Do you know how to find the cofactor now? Then we will see how to find the cofactor of minus 1. Leave out the row and leave out the column, you will have 2. But for this minus 1, you should take minus of whatever you are having here. So 2, but minus of that, so minus 2. Minus 2 is the cofactor of minus 1 for this matrix. Similarly, you want to find the cofactor of minus 2, which is minus 1, but negative. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Similarly, you want to find the cofactor of minus 4. So, this column, this row you forget, this 3, but that has to be taken as it is. So, minus 4, minus 2, 1, 3 is the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. Then you find the transpose of this. That is, rows and columns will get interchanged. That is what I mean by saying transpose. So you have this as first row will become first column, second row will become the second column. So we found out the transpose of the cofactor matrix. How did we proceed? First, we found the cofactors of all the elements of the given matrix. Using the cofactors, we got the cofactor matrix. We found the transpose of the cofactor matrix. And now we are at this stage. This transpose of the cofactor matrix only is known as adjoint A. So what is adjoint A? Minus 4, 1, minus 2, 3. This is adjoint of matrix A. But you can have a shortcut for this, because here we did fully. Otherwise, if it's objective type or any such thing, you can use a simple shortcut. What you can do, this is the given matrix. What is the given matrix? 3, minus 1, 2, minus 4. This is the given matrix. 3, minus 1, 2, minus 4. This is the given matrix. Say you call it as A. This is the adjoint. What does the shortcut say? Simply you interchange the main diagonal elements. This is the main diagonal. 3 here, minus 4 here. You just flip them. Minus 4 will go there and 3 will come here. You see in this. And then change the symbols of the other elements. Signs of the other elements. Minus 1 will become plus 1. 2 will become minus 2. This you can employ if it is a objective type question. You don't have to be wasting time in working on what the elements of the adjoint matrix would be. This is easy for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay, all the best.